Okay, so it's Saturday, August 12. What I'm doing right now is pinapalitan ko tong thermostat. Ayan because we have this in Google. Is the cheap one. Matagal na to eh. Ito pa yung sa may Bella Vita. Ito yung original. I don't like that. Hindi mo nakokontrol. Ano pa. Tingnan mo. 1 week na kami nakalipat or 1 week. 2 weeks na kami nakalipat pero magulo pa rin. Wala kasing time na ayusin. Pero ngayon balak namin magayos. Pero pupunta muna kaming IKEA. So dito ko siya pinatay. Yan. Tapos kakabit ko yung yung thermostat. So, yun na po. Ayan yung Yan yung laundry room. Merong maliit na bata. Oh. Yan yung maliit na bata. So, ayan po. Pupunta muna kaming IKEA. And then mamimili. So, ito. Thermostat. Alexa siya eh. Pinakamura. So, hindi naman kailangan yung pinakamahal eh, di ba? So, pinapalitan ko lang para makontrol namin kapag nasa labas kami. Or, nandito sa loob na tinatamad ng bumangon. Kasi minsan, babangon pa. Tapos, bababa mo, itataas mo. Ito, ang ginawa ko. Yung green para sa green. Okay? Hindi ko kung ano para sa itong mga to eh. Pero, self-explanatory. Yung red para sa red. Makikita mo naman red. And then white sa white. Green sa green. Yellow sa yellow. Kung i-research nyo, kung sino man marunong sa heating and air conditioning, alam nyo na yon. So ako hindi naman ako marunong yan, ni-research ko lang yan sa YouTube. So ayan, mura lang to eh, mga siguro nakuha ko lang ng $49 sa Amazon. Merong mas mamahalin, maraming bells and whistles, pero hindi na kailangan yun eh, diba? Basta lang, yung may taas mo lang, maibaba, ganon. Ay, kaya ko nga pala tinanggal yan. Tignan mo, ito yan yung labas yung yung kulay. Meron nga palang cover yan, kasama na eh. Kaya lang magtatanggal ulit ako ng wires. Kasi pangit tignan. Ayan, tatanggal ulit natin. Tapos kakabit ulit natin. Kasi hindi siya kasya. Oops, nahulog. Oh, tignan natin. Green. Yellow. White. Pero papatayin nyo yung bunod sa main. Kahit na maliit lang ang voltage niyan, maano pa rin. Mas maganda na yung yung safe, di ba? So yan, basta 5 yan. Red, white, green, and yellow. So kakabit natin, hindi ko alam kung anong hulog. Yung thermostat. Yan, kabitan natin. So sa mga nakakalam ng heating and ventilation, madali lang sa inyo to. Not for me. But it's self-explanatory. Kasi naman nagbasa naman ako. Tapos nag-YouTube din. Malaking tulong ng YouTube, no? Kung wala yan, paano ko makakabit to? Ito, green. Tapos na dapat ako eh. Kung nailagay ko yung yung plate. Ito, miski maluwag yan, sisikip yan mamaya kasi meron namang cover. Yan. Tapos ganun nyo na lang. Ipit nyo na lang. Red. And then white. Tapos meron pang color, itong C, or I think color. Hindi ko maintindihan para sa ano ata yun. Na, yung nabasa ko dati. Nabasa ko sa comics.
Stop it. Get some help.
So, ilalak na natin ganun para maghigpit siya. See? You don't have to basta't mahigpit lang siya. Tapos, wala na akong naiwan, di ba? Kita nyo. Ayan. Butas. Gagano na natin. Ay, baliktad ata. Hindi ba? Di bali na. Okay lang. Kahit na anong position, okay naman. Kung baliktad o baliktad, ganun din yun. Baliktad, baliktad. Basta't takpan lang yung kulay. So, kabit na natin to. By Amazon. Labas pa yung kulay, oh my gosh. Di ba, pipinturahan ko na lang yan. Tingnan natin. So, punta kaming IKEA ngayon. It's working now. See? Napagana ko siya. Yung white dapat nasa common side. So, ayan na. So, kailangan kong ikabit yung isa. It's working now. So, mamaya kami mag-aayos pagkagaling sa IKEA tsaka pagkakain sa Golden Corral. Kaayusin namin yan. Dami, oh. Tapos wala pang masyadong oras. Yan. Pagkalipat. Kaya mahirap maglipat eh. Pero advance kami mag-isip. Kasi next year, gusto namin lumipat ulit.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Diba? Biro lang. Baka mag-stay kami dito. Bahala na. Okay, bye! So, yeah. I took the bread, the corn, the rice, chicken, and then this soup right here. These are breakfast. This is nice room. So we are over here sa Golden Corral.
to see you soon, ganun siya. Ganun siya lagi.
Hmm.
Naghihintay siya ng tawagan siya.
Ako pa naman ganyan.
I would like love to be working there.
So, nandito na po kami sa IKEA. Bimili kami ng something for the new apartment. So, ayan na. Nandito kami sa IKEA. Sa Durango and Sunset, Las Vegas. Halika na, punta na tayo sa loob. Excited na ako eh. So, nandito na po kami sa IKEA. Mamimili kami ng para sa bahay. Para sa apartment. So, po. Mas maganda kumain dito eh. Kaya lang, I don't like the food here. Gusto ko doon sa Golden Coral. Sabi nila pagkain ng mga matatanda ron. Eh, kasama ko, ayan o, matanda na yan eh. Ako, bata pa ako. Hey. Slow. Slow. So, anong bibili natin? Saan ka pupunta? Where you going?
You need water?
Ha? Ayan. Come on. So we're going upstairs. Yeah, I like that Sarge. Oh no. We're going upstairs. Right here. Look, little girl. Hello. Tatago. Kala mo naman kung sinong artista nagtatago. Come on. Get a cart. Cart. Oh man, come on. Meron dito sa taas, no?
Bag lang, yellow bag.
No, I don't like no bag. Meron ditong cart sa taas, no? Sa taas. We need that for cooking. You want? No? Look. Pwede mong panghampas. No? Yes. It's chip. Chico. Here, non-stick. Yeah. Hey, look, babe. I bought this for 50
You want
cents.
juicer? Remember tayong juicer?
I got this 50 cents at Temu. It's $3 over here.
You want sa juice sa
Yeah.
Timo juicer?
Yeah. Oh, it's $8.
Ano? Sa
Mahal.
Timo nga. Kasi nakita ko yung madaming juice yung mga.
Yeah, I know. Go ahead. Babe, I need the light. I need the light. Hey, look. It's cool. Mini. We need new sangkalan. I don't like it. Come on, let's go. Make up your mind. Okay, go ahead.
Hindi scratch to.
Okay. Okay, naghahanap si Tess ng ice pop maker. We don't need that. Yeah. Look up. Okay. Get the square one. Yeah.
$7 each.
Okay, tsaka na. Hayaan mo na. Oh, yung coral na lang. We can get that in golden coral. Come on, let's go. Upstairs. Ano ba bibili natin? Ba't tayo dahil nandito?
Garbage can.
Oh, see? Come on, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? Right there.
Ilan?
I don't know.
Dalawa yung sa atin eh.
Okay.
So, dalawa?
Yeah.
99 cents?
Okay. Ano nga? Try natin kung matibay. Bagsak natin.
99 cents. Bituin na natin apat.
Okay. Gusto mo, lahat mo na eh. Bilhin na natin buong IKEA kung gusto mo. Purot na eh.
Para may kasama na yung
Okay.
dalawa doon.
Para hindi sila maiwan, nakakawawa naman. Let's go! May gusto mong palitan yung yung head. This. No? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Para tayo sa hotel. So, lagyan na natin yung ano. Hey, look. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. Yeah.
That's where we'll drop off.
Let's go upstairs. Sabi ko po si Weird doon. Knock knock. We're here. There you go. Knock knock. There you go. Di, ano yun mo? Nahiya ko. Yeah. Two. Punta muna ako washroom. Pwede. Nagtatanong ka lang kung saan tayo. Wala naman third floor ko.
Wala ba?
No. Pwede. Doon, sa ano? Up the roof if you want. The third floor. Oy, look, it's a good. It's a... Beo, yung aso, kita mo? Kita mo yung aso?
Lagi ko ng ganyan.
Ang dami. Para tayo sa hotel. Lagyan na natin yung ano. Ang dami nila, oh, kita mo? That's funny.
Magtatamtalo na yun.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to the restroom. Huh? Uh-huh. We muna ako. Then we're gonna go shopping with all our millions. Family restroom. Pero nauhaw na naman ako. Gusto ko naman uminom. I wanna drink water. Okay. Hirap na hirap yung ano, yung lalaki. Yan, dito, katulad na dito na nakaano siya. Dito, right there. Ay, sarado. Oh my gosh. Sa kabila. Come on. go. There you go. Hey, guys. Okay, downstairs. It's not automatic. You have to press downstairs. You know? This is not automatic. You know that, right? Oh, ano yun? IKEA member. Meron ako yan. Tagal na, no? Long time ago. Long time ago. So, ito na po. Magbabayad na kami. Magbabayad na kami. Where? You have to read, you know. Reading is fundamental. Where? You mean we have to walk around again? Nothing here? Oh man. Bato naman siya upstairs. Yeah. Kagagaling ko lang dun. Paihi ko lang, no? Oh man, lalakad na naman tayo. I'm tired. I'm tired, no? Iikot na naman kami. Ayun kaya ko. Sure. Yeah. Ano kasi nauuhaw na naman ako. Oh, ba't tayo umikot? Asan yung shortcut mo? Shortcut. Oh, man. Shortcut. Nandun na tayo, pinalayo pa ako. Hey, look! The doggy! Pinalayo pa tayo, nandun na tayo sa ano. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. Do what?
Cashier.
Yeah. Where? Man, bumalik tayo. Ano ka ba? Bumalik tayo.
Doon, exit ka doon.
Dito na tayo galing eh. Open Sesame. Ano ba? Galing na tayo dito eh. Thank you. Lalo pa akong pinagod. Right there! See? Hey, ikot doon.
Tayo ng basa, pag-cooler, pag masisip ko ako.
Hmm.
Doon. Pero hindi ka mag-stop, lalo na ako eh.
Okay. I think that...
Sabi niya?
Okay, no problem. So I'm gonna buy Pepsi or water. You want something? No?
Fountain?
Huh? It's a fountain right there? Over there? Oh yeah, okay. Because I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. How?
The raspberry honey?
Paano? I-order na lang ba doon? Or you have to pay it here first.
Kasi bibigyan mo ka, diba?
Yeah.
Sa pineapple na yun.
Ha? You want na lang? Sa labas na lang? Sa labas na lang? Anong kabila? Yeah.
I want ano.
You want this, right?
What?
Oh?
No, I want a Coke.
Yeah.
Dalawa? Ayaw mo?
Isa lang. Nagkamali ako. Ano pa?
Anong flavor ito?
Icy. Wala na yung mango eh. This? Yeah? Which one? Cone?
Di ba nabiyan?
I don't know.
Entrapen.
Oh, where?
Bigyan ka pa sa
Let's go. Wait for your order. It's right there.
That's all. Cannot deny sugar in half.
Ayaw. Summer. Ewan ko, nandito ata. Cup ano ko. Ito na kumuha ng ano, 296.
Maliit lang yan.
Asan yung ano? Where's the thing? Yung soft drinks.
Be,
Paki ano nga? Hindi, huwag ka muna. Okay.
ano yung mga? Anong nasa?
Jump pa.
Nasa bang cola?
Yeah. No, it's fine. No, we're going to buy something at Burlington. wala nang battery yung ano ko eh. Yung camera. Ha? Yeah. Yeah, mo siya. I know. We're at Burlington. And we're gonna buy something for the bed. So this is the entrance. And that's the exit right there. That's where people exit. And this is where the people enter. Yeah. Hello.
Blanket.
Yeah. So we're gonna get something like a blanket. You know, when you move and then you want something, you know, like new things. Not like we brought the thing from the other apartment to the new apartment. We want brand new also, right? So we're gonna look for a new blanket and new bed sheets. So wow. Hey, look. Maybe we can get it from here. I don't like it. Yeah. Hey, look. Look, Ubi. You think we can luto minudo here or something, you know, like adobo? Good? No. That one? For adobo? I don't think so.
Why?
Adobo? That's not enough. Ang takaw mo kaya. This one here? Pwede ko ano, panghampas. Huh? For adobo? Ayun, yung nasa ilalim ito.
We need a frying pan.
4?
To fry.
Magkano yan? But this is good for adobo. Right?
Ayoko ng ganyan. Yan yung ganyan tinapon na.
Nagtatapon lang tayo ng mga gamit. Tapos ngayon, bibili-bili tayo. But this is good. This is good for adobo. Oh my gosh. Huh? But this is good for adobo right here. This is good for adobo.
Oh, there's
This one here.
trials for saturday.
Good for adobo.
Ayun o.
Okay, here.
Oo.
This.
This.
Ang bigat naman na ito. Oh, wow. Ang takaw ng yung mga nagluluto dyan, matatakaw. Pwede yun, magkano yan? Yes, oh wow. This is cool. I know, right? It's too big. But it won't fit. I think it's enough. It's crooked. See? Dapat yan, ano lang, $5. This one is good.
Sauce pan. Sauce pan. Ay, ano ito?
Okay, come on. Let's buy what we're gonna get. Instead of ano. What? Turo ka ng turo. salad master. Oops.
Magkano to? 25.
You say beep beep when you stop, okay?
Ha? 25.
Kulay pink. You want me to sleep on a pink bedsheet? Crazy? I like this one here, doggy.
Hindi tayo bumili ng ano, Christmas?
No. Yeah. That was Christmas. It's not Christmas yet. Ano ba hinanap mo?
Yung pang ano sa kama.
Naghahanap siya ng ano, pantabing sa kama. Bedsheet.
Yeah, that's
But I don't want pink. Okay? Katulad ng binigay mo kaya, no? Ha? Sino yung binigyan mo nun? Hawak ka lang ng hawak. Hirap maghanap ng gusto mo. Hey, I think I like this. I want bamboo. Instead of buying bamboo pillow, just buy bamboo stick,
it's just blanket lang.
blanket. Yeah. Our nest. Nakaula na. Nahanap siya ng bedsheet. Yung kasing liit niya. She's still looking for the bedsheet. Naghahanap pa siya ng bedsheet sa
Quilt. Yung pa ng quilt.
quilt. Quilt daw. Walang quilt. Dati meron.
yan?
Ano ba yan? It's only comforter. Eh, ito.
What color you want?
What color you want?
Dati mura siya ng Christmas.
Dati meron siya ng Christmas.
Mura siya ng Christmas.
Mura siya ng Christmas.
King?
Kim?
35?
35?
This?
Ito?
Ba?
Ano ba?
Want this one?
I want this one?
What do you want?
What do I want?
Down one?
Lang, no? Hey, this one is good.
Not,
No, I don't know. Ooh. Wee. Oh my gosh. Black one. I don't want.
yellow?
Yellow? Mukha naman tayo ice cream niyan. Yellow. Blue? This one? Blue? Ayun. Mukhang chip, no?
Huh?
Ito.
It's blanket.
That's blanket.
Ano magulo ah?
Kumugulo ah. Hindi makapag-isip.
I'm asking you what color you want.
She's asking me what color I want.
You want this?
I want that. I don't like that.
Why?
I don't like it. You ask me and then you don't know what. Oh my gosh, blue. Oh my gosh, pink. Oh, ito maganda. Yeah, this one here. With yeah,
Queen ba tayo?
yeah. You're the queen and
$30?
I'm the king. Magkano?
30.
$30? Ito lang, $30 lang to. Mura naman. Wala bang mas mahal?
Come on, what do you want?
Come on, what do I want?
You're annoying. No, but
She's annoying me.
3 piece.
Three piece.
Yeah, for the
Siguro, bra, panty. Ano ba yung 3-piece? Bra, panty? Hindi makapag-isip. Ang gulo. Yan, oh. Gusto ko to.
You want this one?
Yeah.
$35.
Mas maganda yung $25.
$35. 30. 29.
Mas maganda yung $30. Yan, iba-iba kulay. Para tayong ano. Bilis!
That's it.
Oh my gosh. You wanna buy a Temu? You wanna buy a Walmart? I mean, oh my gosh. She can't decide. Hey, I want this. Baby control case. Breastfeeding. I want one. Huh? Yeah, yung $25. Talagay ba natin ngayon? Wala. No, I want it.
Wala pa natin laban yung ano nun.
Yeah.
Yung isa.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like this one better. Kasi, you know, it's blue and then it's white. Not like the other one. It's pink and then yellow. Ito, blue and white only. There's black one here. The black one is the strap. And then it's all blue and white. See? It's
Want a pillow?
I don't want no pillow.
Sham.
Okay. Sham. So it needs to. If this is sham, and then you buy that, it's gonna be sampu. Sham sampu.
12.70.
So sham, sampu, 11. So that's ano. Sham, 9, 10, 11. So 11. Hindi kasya yung sham. Eh di sampu. Bumibili siya ng pang 10 kasi siyam to eh. Hindi mo no. Come on, let's go.
Pillow mo lang yan.
Ha? Yeah. See? Come on, let's go.
Pillow mo.
Come on. I don't know. See, if you have a new apartment, you need new things like this. She got sham, and then she's gonna buy another one, sampu, and then with the sampu, there's gonna be another one, so that's 11. Sham, 10, 11. So, we're at Burlington. Okay now. May inumin ba dito? Nauhaw ako sa kakadaldal eh. Maybe we need fitting room. You need fitting room?
No, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's right here. It's right there. Hey, look, men's. Let's go over there. Hey, look. Hey, look. Those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. I like that. And I want to, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. How much? $13. Come on. Rather have that one than as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
For the kitchen.
For the kitchen. Come on, let's go. That's it. I don't want anything from here. Oh my God, look at that line. Servo. It's okay, it's gonna be fast. Huh? Gusto mo? You want it?
No.
No? Okay.
Ini-stick lang siya.
Aha. Lagay ko na yung bigay ngayon. So, hang. Haba pa. It's all the way over there. These eyeballs.
Oh my God!
Yeah. So tapos na kami mamili. Ngayon, mamaya, magtatanong naman siya. Saan napunta yung pera?
Anong ginagamit natin?
Umiihi. You wanna see?
Ayan.
Double kill. Pwedeng hugasan ng kamay, pwedeng inuman. See? Triple din, pwedeng iniian.
Ayan.
What's up, man? Saan tayo? Hanapin mo kung saan mayroong Starbucks.
Maybe we should tayo dito.
Oh man,
Potato.
burrito. Namili kami, ang dami doon sa likod, mga balde.
1301 West Sunset Road.
1301 West Sunset Road. Ang layo no?
Like, akang 0.2 miles.
Ito yun? 1301
Garden Sunset Road.
Starbucks. Sa may Sunset Station. Sa may Sabaro. Sa may Subway. Doon sa may Ben Jerry. Coinstar. Sunset. Brasford. Sunset Station. Sunset Station.
Ano dito na tayong bili ng sini?
Star.
Hindi naman masyadong light yung ano mo. Hindi naman masyadong light.
Sunset and
Wala ka naman ano yan.
It's right here. Sunset Stephanie. So it's Stephanie and sunset.
Don't you need to make it darker?
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Next time, let's watch a movie. Next weekend.
Uh-huh. Uwi na. Uwi na.